Good morning, guys. It's a rainy Friday. I woke up to do my facial. See, I look like a mad woman. Revamp it and one. But I don't know why I'm so hairy in places that I don't want to be hairy. But I'll just quickly go and munch on this.
But recently I just don't care.
I wanna be in your life until the night.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. See, I look like a mad woman kinda this morning. Anyways, today, as usual, as always, I'm in my kitchen again, and today is Friday, and I want to make like breakfast for my husband and I. Blessing has gone to school. Yomi has had his breakfast. He's already up. He's watching his cartoon currently, but he's had his breakfast. He had like the what's that thing called? Anyways, he had cereal, and right now I want to like make this English breakfast for hubby and I'll just like on beef to like dress the bread, and then I'll use like the waffle maker machine to make it look a bit like waffle. So that's the plan for this morning. And you guys, I just got a call, or rather it's a message, a WhatsApp message from the customer that I cooked for yesterday that he didn't find his okra soup. Apparently, he cooked like okra soup, afang soup, seafood okra to be precise, and it was the most expensive amongst all. Afang soup, jollof rice, and sauced beef, grilled prepared beef. And I sent everything to him yesterday, and this man did not even let me know if all of his items were sent to him. It was today. He's somebody that is always very busy, so he more like let his security guard like take out the food and keep it for him and pay for the fare too. So today I just reminded him if the meals were okay, and the next thing he told me was he didn't find okra soup. I was like, you didn't find okra soup? How? I had to call the boat guy that I used to deliver this food, and I was really ranting, and the guy was like, who will he use somebody's food for? That he doesn't even know the content of the packages, that he would now want to drop one behind for himself. And I kind of sort of believe him. So I just want to believe the mistake is from his end, like my customer's end. Maybe the security guard had already tucked it into the freezer before he could realize, or maybe he left one for himself. I really don't know, but I've had to apologize to my client and beg him to just help me ask the security guard and then look around to be sure the food is there or the food is not there, so I'll know what I'm doing, you understand? But honestly, I've been hearing about this gist, how dispatch riders, boat riders used to take out meat from somebody's food, run away with people's food and all. But I really don't want to believe that it's happening to me, or it has happened to me in Abuja. Honestly, it's mostly in Lagos that we hear about stories like this. But anyways, that's it, and I'm not happy about that story. It thing just kind of dims my spirit a bit this morning, even though it looks like it wants to rain. But then again, I'm not letting anything kill my shine, because this is not the first time I'm cooking for this particular client, not the second. He's been with me since 2019, the very first time I started cooking. So hopefully, I think it's just a what is it called? When I get the word, I'll put it on the screen. Misinformation or misplacement, something. So I won't let anything make me sad or take my shine this morning. It wants to rain. The weather is kind of cozy this morning, and I want to make breakfast, like I said, English breakfast. Do not worry, I want to take you guys along, but when I'm done with the aftermath, I'll show you guys to say all right.
I've searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence
At this point, guys, you can see that everywhere is cloudy, it's dark. That's because it's raining. Today is Friday, it's a rainy Friday, and what I want to do now after eating this sumptuous breakfast is to tuck myself in under the duvet, like, and have a cozy time with myself and my husband, right? Oh, you guys already know. He's at home, he's on leave. So my baby is there too, doing his thing, watching his cartoon. My husband is watching a movie, and I am here trying to clear everything after preparing breakfast for these two people in this house. Anyways, I'm so full, and I'll just drop this one till later if I have the appetite of eating it again. If I don't, maybe Yomi will eat it or my husband will eat it, or anybody can eat it. Blessing when she comes up from school, she'll eat it. Thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe down below because it is important to me, and I know you do what is important to me, right? You do that for me, right? Thank you so much. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday, and I woke up to do my facials with the turmeric sugar scrub. Actually, I woke up to like do my face scrub, you know, because I want to do my facial. So I want like this to sit in my face and remove dead pores, remove dead skin, open up my pores, so whatever products I apply from my brand would work perfectly on my skin. I don't know, there's some persons that don't exfoliate. I don't know how they do that, but me, I like to scrub at least twice in a week. Saturday, not Saturday inclusive, you know. So what I use, and it's available on my page. This is just 3.5. I'm using this opportunity to sell my market. Okay, it works. It's really nice. Leave this on your face as a face mask for like 30 minutes. But me, I'm not really doing anything today, so I can just leave it on my face for like 1 hour. There's no harm. It's all natural. Turmeric is very natural and very good for the face. Till I'm ready to wash off. So I'm sending out my wigs to Lush Waves for revamping. This one I want to revamp it and change the color, so like brighter honey brown and honey brown. I don't know. This one I want to re-wig it because I don't like this. I want to re-wig it and change the color and make it shorter, not so short. This one I think it's just to straighten it. That is the problem. I don't know. I don't have that strength to straighten. This one, there are some things that I noticed that I don't like. So I just do that. Basically what I want to do, and yeah. So her dispatch rider is coming to pick the hair soon. I'm actually waiting for them because I want to get busy. There's some things I want to do, but I'll just hold on and wait for a dispatch rider to come and pick up. I don't know. I don't want to say anything yet, although I know she's very good at what she does. Lush Weaves, she's very good at what she does. I'm going to put her handle on the screen by the time I get my hair and, you know, show you guys the result. You guys have seen the before, right? You'll soon see the after, and I know it's going to be mind-blowing and amazing. I cannot just wait to see my new wigs and to see what they look like, you know. Just like some of them you don't rough, like you just I almost wanted to throw them away, and I said it's true, she revamps her really well, so why not, let me just try her out. And I just hope this does not cost me so much because they're quite plenty, and things I'm going to be doing are a lot. Anyways guys, so that's what I want to do today. That is Saturday. I just finished eating the soup that you guys saw. That was what I ate this morning, no, Saturday morning. I do not do any breakfasting in my house. It was yesterday Friday that we ate like a confirmed English breakfast, but today everyone was just looking for what they want to eat, and you know, Hobby ate like rice and stew. Yomi ate his most cereal. Lesson and I ate swallow with vegetable soup. Yeah, so guys, that's it. What do I have to do now? I'll just I wanted to like clean my bags. They're actually very dusty. I don't know, I might just clean it and then clean my shoes, just get busy with myself, you know. Yeah, so that's it. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, so these are the bags that a lady has. Dust. Big girl like me, I don't even have collection of bags because I'm not a fan. I'm not crazy about all these things. And these are my shoes. Dust won't finish my ugly shoes. Some ugly looking shoes, man, but these are my comfort. Like, they're my comfort. I'm not crazy materialistic. Yeah, so but if I get, I'll receive. But for me to use my money and buy all these things, I'm really not a fan because I really don't go out, so no point. You get. Anyways, let's get cleaning. It's true. I think I'll go to the tailor's place much later because there are some dresses that I want to sew from scratch, you know. I'll show you guys the materials. I bought the fabrics from the market and I want to make like some dresses, like two actually. I bought like two yards of each, these vintage materials, you know. I bought 2 yards of each because I want to make like something very, very short, skimpy, like a party wear, something I can easily jump into and, you know, attend the function and not always thinking of something to gauge myself. Anyways, let me just quickly show you guys the fabric. This is what it looks like. This is one. Anyways, let me show one for a dress, and this is the other one. I'd have used this to sew 2-piece, like trouser and shirt. It would have been so fine for trouser and shirt, but let me just use this to sew a dress. No, really not a fan of 2-piece. Yeah, so these are it. I'm done now. Everywhere is neat. It's neat though. Oh, it's blessing. She could not clean this thing very well. Yes. Organized. Going to the tailor's place now. I don't know if you guys can see. Alright, that's where I'm going to. Yo, I just had my bath and the time is like 8:25. That's like past 6, right? And they just took light. And you guys, before I went to have my bath, I was watching YouTube videos, but I said I should just enter Instagram to see what's up. And then I saw this trend about Banky W cheating on his wife Adesua, and the lady that he's even cheating on with is currently pregnant. You guys, men are scum. If this is actually true, you all already know Just Lover hardly even posts fake news. There must be an atom of truth inside, even though Just Lover actually posts information earlier than it should. There must be an atom of truth in it, because all the informations Just Lover have been giving from way back for people that we are actually seeing the evidences now. It is actually what Just Lover said that started happening. So I feel like there's an atom of truth in it. I will never not believe it. I believe it 100%. He has done something silly. See, you guys should tame your bingos. So if you're a married woman and you love your husband and you want your home to be successful, tame your bingos. The street is not smiling. These men, they're easily moved. No matter what, tame your bingos. That's all I have to say. We shall keep saying now to see if the story is true or if it's false, but I'm just disappointed, honestly. I'm honestly I just feel like this celebrity marriage is saying, Kai. But then they try. People they marry celebrities, they try. They are more. See, for you to agree to say you want to date or marry a celebrity, your heart must be made of rock. All this type of Abuja rock. No matter the kind of shadings, no matter the kind of scandal, rumors, anything you hear, Yola, I think he signed that into his record label. I don't even know the girl. EMEZ, something like that. So you have to have a stone heart to be able to date all these popular people, celebrities, politicians, and the rest, because you go way, you will see shege, you will chop breakfast. If every morning now your breakfast, this you have to be ready. God only give those that have the heart to take it to these people to date. People like us, say for women, those kind of people, it's not for serious relationship. Just have your fun and move. Serious waiting. I beg. Anyways, I just thought to rant and just let you guys know what's up in case some persons may not have heard. But I know by the time this vlog will be going up, you would have already heard the news. I'm sure it would have already been just safe. So yeah. So I'm being my witness that I shaved barely how many days ago, and just see it's already out. Let me go to my kitchen, my favorite part, so I'll show you guys properly. So see you. It's already out. I don't know why I'm so hairy in places that I don't want to be hairy. Like here, I want to be hairier here. Like I want my hairline to start from here or even here. What is this hair? Every time. Barely 2 days ago was when I shaved. See? It's already out. It will be like that. Today, I don't think I have strength to cook anything. You guys, I just went to do a delivery now, and it's crazy. I'm very serious, said it.